Mothers and daughters do a lot of things together, and cosmetic procedures are no exception to that rule. Here to tell us more is double board certified facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon Dr. Rich Castellano, CEO and medical director at ImageLift. And joining him are his patients, former Miss Grand International Liz Garcia and her mom, Igzy Rivera. Good to have you all with us today.
Thank you for having us.
So, Dr. Rich, do you have a lot of moms and their daughters coming in to see you?
Absolutely. It's very popular because people want to come in and go to a provider that someone had a good experience with, that they had good results, and when it's someone you know and love and trust and you see they've had a good experience, then they just want to do the same thing.
Now, ladies, you're both no strangers to pageants. You both have a presence on YouTube. Tell us a little bit about what you do on YouTube.
Well, I have a beauty channel.
A beauty channel?
Yes, I have a little channel. I do my little tutorials for makeup.
Good for you.
I have a lot of fun. And I am actually Miss Legend Florida, so I'm going to compete for Miss Legend US in June.
Good for you.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, yeah. Good luck to you. And Lise?
So I am an ex-pageant queen, Miss Grand International. I made her get into pageants with me, and now I run pageants. So that's what I do. I run Miss Tampa Global.
Oh, good for you. Well, I can see you're both absolutely gorgeous, and the results are amazing. You don't look like you've had anything done. You don't look like you've had work done. So, Igzy, let's start with you. Why did you go see Doc?
That was the idea of these. Prevention is the key. So I have my two little parentheses. They're starting to show. And I don't want anybody to look at me, oh, parentheses. I want everybody to enjoy my smile.
Yeah.
So just like,
and you have a great smile.
So I think the prevention was the idea. So we went together and we have a blast. And the result, I can't complain.
Well, we're looking right now. Dr. Rich, tell us a little bit about what you did here.
So you can see around the mouth, we just did a little bit of filler. It must look natural.
Yes.
If it doesn't look natural, it doesn't look good. So after Igzy did a little bit of filler around the mouth, that's when Lise came in and she wanted to do. And both of them were so beautiful before we did anything. We just want to refresh. We want to prevent some of the future aging changes.
Okay.
And we've got Lee's pictures, I think they're going to show next.
There it
and so
is.
you see she had a little bit of the hollows under the eyes. So she did some of the longer term fillers, some of the Bellafill. And so there are three basic decisions people need to make when they do filler. The first decision is where. Where on the face do they want to treat? Once they decide that, which filler? Short-term, middle-of-the-road, long-term, and permanent fillers. The third decision, how many of those syringes or how many fillers do they want? So you need a consultation with someone who's qualified. We're very proud of our awards that we've won for what we've done, and I'm proud to be the #1 Bellafill injector in the United States. So we were able to help them, and they look wonderful, and most importantly, they have such an amazing smile.
They really do.
You know, and you can see there.
Thank
And
you.
I bet nobody said, "Oh, you've had work." Did
No,
people?
no one.
How did people react to you?
I did it the same day. I was working and I said, okay, during lunch, I'm gonna go. I went to Dr. Rich and then I came back. No one knew everything. Nothing. So you can see that it was a good work.
Definitely. That's what you want, right? You just want to enhance what's there.
Yeah, I mean, it makes a difference, you know, when you're looking tired. That was my main problem, is I was looking so tired. Everyone's like, "What's wrong? Are you okay?" You know, when they ask you, like, "Are you feeling well?" and you're like, "This is my face."
Yeah.
So when you know, and he was there to improve it, so he did an amazing job. It's so refreshing.
Well, he's certainly very good at what he does. That's why you've won awards for it. You've written books. I mean, you know what you're doing.
Absolutely, and it's important in the consultation too, because sometimes we can be a little hard on ourselves.
Right.
And we don't want to be too hard on ourselves. There's a risk. You may choose a treatment that can go too far.
Okay.
And I won't let that happen.
Good stuff. Hey, if you want to win a seat right here on Daytime to get a filler for yourself, head to facebook.com/ImageLift to find out how you can enter. You can also register for ImageLift's seminar on June 2nd. And for more information, you can call 813-463-9245 and find out more right there. Thank you all very much for coming in. You're both absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
You as well.
Thank you. Nicely done, Dr. Rich.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.